Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson about B2C2B. A customer segments hack that everyone should know about. The B2C2B, business to business, model represents an innovative approach in customer segmentation and business modeling. It's a strategy where businesses initially target individual consumers, B2C, and then leverage those relationships to engage with businesses, B2B. Here's how it can foster innovation in a company's business model. Consumer insights for business solutions. By first engaging with individual consumers, a company can gather valuable insights into consumer preferences, behaviors, and needs. These insights can be instrumental in developing tailored solutions or products for businesses that aim to serve these consumers. Building brand advocacy. Satisfied consumers can become brand advocates. When these consumers are part of larger organizations or networks, their advocacy can open doors for the company to engage with these entities in a B2B context. This organic marketing approach can be more effective and cost-efficient than traditional B2B marketing strategies. Cross-selling opportunities. Companies can exploit the intersection between B2C and B2B by identifying opportunities where consumer products might align with business needs. For instance, a tech company selling gadgets to consumers might find opportunities to sell the same or related products in bulk to businesses. Enhanced data collection and analysis. Interacting with both consumers and businesses allows companies to collect a wide range of data. This data, when analyzed, can lead to more innovative product development, better market targeting, and more efficient operations. Creating new revenue streams. By operating in both B2C and B2B markets, companies can diversify their revenue sources. This diversification can lead to more stable financial performance and opportunities to reinvest in innovation. Feedback loop for continuous improvement. Continuous feedback from both consumer and business clients provides valuable information that can be used to improve products and services. This feedback loop can drive a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within the company. Building a holistic ecosystem. By serving both individual consumers and businesses, a company can build a more holistic ecosystem of products and services. This can lead to the development of new, innovative solutions that cater to a broader market. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. Engaging with both consumers and businesses can open up opportunities for strategic partnerships and collaborations, which can be a hotbed for innovation. In summary, the B2C2B model can drive innovation by providing unique market insights, fostering brand advocacy, creating cross-selling opportunities, enhancing data utilization, diversifying revenue streams, encouraging a feedback-driven culture, developing a holistic product ecosystem, and enabling strategic partnerships. This dual focus on both individual consumers and businesses allows companies to be more agile and responsive to market changes, leading to a more innovative and sustainable business model. The B2C2B, business to business, model has various advantages and disadvantages that specifically relate to the business model aspect of companies. Here's a breakdown. Pros of B2C2B. Enhanced market insights. Direct consumer interaction provides valuable insights into market trends and consumer preferences, which can be leveraged in B2B relationships. Brand advocacy. Satisfied consumers can become brand ambassadors, organically promoting the company within their professional networks and potentially opening doors to B2B opportunities. Diversified revenue streams. Operating in both B2C and B2B markets allows for multiple revenue channels, reducing dependence on a single market segment and increasing financial stability. Innovative product development. Insights from both consumer and business interactions can fuel more innovative and tailored product or service development. Feedback loop. Continuous feedback from both consumers and businesses enables ongoing improvements and adaptation to market needs. Cross-selling opportunities. The ability to cross-sell products or services to both individual consumers and businesses can increase sales and market penetration. Building a holistic ecosystem. By catering to both end users and businesses, companies can create a comprehensive ecosystem of products and services, enhancing customer loyalty and retention. Strategic partnerships. Engaging with consumers and businesses can lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations, further driving innovation and growth. Cons of B2C2B. Complexity in operations. Managing both B2C and B2B models can lead to operational complexities, requiring robust management and coordination systems. Resource intensiveness. Catering to both consumers and businesses may demand significant resources in terms of marketing, sales, customer support, and product development. Conflicting business priorities. Balancing the needs of individual consumers and businesses can be challenging, as these two segments often have different priorities and requirements. Risk of brand dilution. Attempting to appeal to both markets might lead to a diluted brand message if not managed carefully. Data management challenges. Handling and analyzing large sets of data from both consumer and business segments can be complex and require advanced analytics capabilities. Dependency on consumer advocacy. Relying too heavily on consumer advocacy for B2B opportunities can be risky, as consumer preferences and behaviors can be volatile. Market segmentation difficulties. Effectively segmenting and targeting both individual consumers and businesses requires sophisticated market analysis and segmentation strategies. Potential for overextension. Stretching resources to cater to both B2C and B2B markets can lead to overextension, impacting the quality of products or services. In conclusion, while the B2C2B model offers unique opportunities for growth and innovation, it also presents challenges in terms of operational complexity, resource allocation, and market segmentation. Balancing these factors is key to successfully implementing a B2C2B business model. Several companies have successfully adopted the B2C2B model, innovating their business models and creating market disruption in their respective industries. Here's a list of notable examples. Apple Incorporated. Apple initially focused on individual consumers with products like the iPhone and MacBook. These products became popular among professionals, leading to significant B2B sales as businesses adopted Apple products for their operations. Adobe Systems. Adobe, known for its creative software like Photoshop and Illustrator, initially targeted individual creative professionals. Their success with individual users led to widespread adoption in the business sector, particularly with the introduction of Adobe Creative Cloud for enterprise solutions. Dropbox. Dropbox started as a consumer-focused file-sharing platform. Its ease of use and popularity among individual users led to the development of Dropbox Business, catering to organizational needs for file storage and collaboration. Slack Technologies. Slack revolutionized internal business communications by first appealing to small teams and startups for individual use. Its popularity among these users prompted larger businesses to adopt Slack for corporate communication. Zoom Video Communications. Initially popular with individual consumers for its ease of use and reliability, Zoom quickly became a staple for businesses, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, for remote meetings and communication. Tesla Incorporated. Tesla's electric vehicles, starting with consumer models, gained popularity among individual consumers. This success led to interest from businesses for corporate fleets and has spurred the development of commercial vehicles. WeWork. Beginning with individual freelancers and small startups, WeWork's shared office spaces quickly attracted larger businesses looking for flexible workspace solutions. LinkedIn. LinkedIn started as a professional networking site for individuals but has since grown into a vital tool for businesses in recruitment, branding, and B2B marketing. Square Incorporated. Square initially targeted individual small business owners and entrepreneurs with its simple payment processing solutions. As these businesses grew, Square expanded its offerings to cater to larger enterprises as well. Shopify. Shopify began by offering e-commerce solutions to individual entrepreneurs and small businesses. Its success led to the development of Shopify Plus, aimed at larger businesses and high-volume merchants. These companies demonstrate how the B2C2B model can be a powerful strategy for achieving market disruption and sustainable growth. By first capturing the consumer market and then leveraging those relationships to enter and dominate the business market, these companies have reshaped their competitive landscapes. Adopting a B2C2B business model can be highly effective, but it requires a strategic approach to ensure success. Here are some key strategies companies should consider implementing. Understand both consumer and business needs. Gain a deep understanding of the needs, preferences, and pain points of both individual consumers and business clients. This dual focus is essential for tailoring products and services that appeal to both segments. Leverage consumer insights for B2B growth. Utilize the data and insights gained from the B2C segment to inform and enhance the B2B offerings. Understanding consumer trends can provide a competitive edge in the B2B market. Build a strong brand. Develop a brand that resonates with both individual consumers and business clients. The brand message should be versatile enough to appeal to both markets while maintaining a consistent core identity. Invest in technology and data analytics. Adopt advanced technology and data analytics tools to manage and interpret data from both consumer and business segments. This will aid in making informed decisions and tailoring offerings to each market. Offer seamless integration and compatibility. Ensure that products or services are easily integrable and compatible with both consumer and business environments. This could mean scalability, ease of use, or compatibility with existing systems. Prioritize customer experience. Deliver an exceptional customer experience for both individual consumers and business clients. This includes quality customer service, user-friendly interfaces, and addressing feedback promptly. Create flexible and scalable solutions. Develop products or services that are scalable, allowing them to cater to both small individual needs and larger business requirements. Adopt a cross-channel marketing approach. Implement a marketing strategy that effectively targets both consumers and businesses, recognizing the different approaches required for each. Foster community in advocacy. Encourage a sense of community among individual users, which can lead to organic advocacy and referrals to business clients. Continuous innovation and adaptation. Stay agile and continuously innovate to keep up with changing market trends and the evolving needs of both consumer and business segments. Ensure robust compliance and security. Particularly when dealing with businesses, ensure that all products and services comply with industry standards and regulations, and offer robust security features. Cultivate strategic partnerships. Develop partnerships with other businesses that can complement your offerings to both consumers and businesses, enhancing your value proposition. Balanced resource allocation. Allocate resources effectively to cater to both B2C and B2B operations without compromising the quality or performance in either segment. Feedback mechanism. Establish a strong feedback loop from both consumers and businesses to continually refine and improve the offerings. Implementing these strategies requires a balanced approach, careful planning, and a deep understanding of both the B2C and B2B markets. Companies that successfully navigate these areas can leverage the B2C2B model for significant growth and innovation. Several well-known business models incorporate elements of B2C2B in their strategy, leveraging both consumer and business markets to drive growth and innovation. Here's a list of some prominent types. Freemium model. Companies offer basic services or products for free to individual consumers, B2C, and then upsell premium features or enhanced services to businesses, B2B. Example: Dropbox offers free limited storage to individuals and paid plans for businesses with additional features. Subscription model. Initially targeting individual consumers with subscription services and later expanding to offer specialized subscription packages to businesses. Example: Spotify provides individual subscriptions and has a business model for offices and public spaces. Marketplace model. Platforms that start by attracting individual consumers and then integrate business sellers or services to the platform. Example: Amazon began as a consumer-focused online retailer and now offers Amazon Business for business customers. SaaS, software as a service, model. Companies develop software primarily for individual users or small teams and then scale up to offer enterprise-level solutions to businesses. Example: Slack and Zoom initially targeted individual professionals or small teams and expanded to serve large enterprises. E-commerce model. Online retailers that start by selling directly to consumers and later add a B2B component by offering bulk purchasing or business-specific products. Example: Alibaba started with consumer-focused e-commerce and expanded to include a significant B2B component. Content platform model. Platforms that attract individual users with content and then monetize through business advertising or partnerships. Example: Facebook and LinkedIn serve individual users with social networking services while offering advertising and other services to businesses. On-demand service model. Companies that provide on-demand services to individual consumers and also offer tailored versions of these services to businesses. Example: Uber offers ride-hailing for consumers and has Uber for Business for corporate travel needs. Affiliate marketing model. Initially targeting individual consumers through affiliates and then leveraging those relationships to form partnerships with larger businesses. Example: Many online content creators start with individual-focused affiliate marketing and gradually attract business partnerships. Co-creation model. Engaging individual consumers in product development or customization, then using the insights and data gathered to offer tailored products or services to businesses. Example: Nike by You, formerly NIKEID, allows individual customization of footwear, providing valuable consumer preference data that can inform larger-scale product development. These business models demonstrate how companies can effectively blend B2C and B2B strategies, using the strengths of each approach to build a robust and dynamic business. By engaging with both individual consumers and business clients, these models facilitate greater market penetration, diversified revenue streams, and enhanced innovation. In conclusion, the B2C2B, business to consumer to business, model represents a dynamic and multifaceted approach to business strategy, blending the direct-to-consumer and business-to-business models. It capitalizes on the strengths of both approaches, leveraging consumer insights and brand loyalty to create compelling business solutions. By engaging with individual consumers first, companies gain valuable insights into market trends and preferences, which can then be translated into tailored offerings for business clients. This model not only diversifies revenue streams but also fosters innovation and enhances market responsiveness. The success of companies like Apple, Adobe, and Shopify illustrates the potential of the B2C2B model to disrupt markets and drive substantial growth. For businesses looking to adopt this model, a strategic and balanced approach is crucial. This involves understanding and addressing the distinct needs of both consumer and business segments, investing in technology and data analytics for informed decision-making, and ensuring seamless integration and scalability of offerings. Prioritizing customer experience, fostering community and advocacy, and continuously innovating are key to maintaining relevance and competitiveness in both markets. The B2C2B model, when executed effectively, not only bridges the gap between individual consumers and businesses but also sets the stage for a business to become a market leader, resilient in the face of changing market dynamics and consumer behaviors.